Everything we do, communication, documentation, processes, tools, they all go into the quality of the bikes that we send out the door. When we started, we had to create a company that was going to be sophisticated enough to produce quality product like the bikes that we build. And so take it out all the way back to engineering. What we have to do when we start is we have to make sure our CAD models are of high quality, that they're modeling them correctly. We had SolidWorks, so that was fantastic. But right away, you're like, well, we got to manage this CAD data. So one of the things for sure in terms of managing CAD data is managing change. Super important, obviously. We have to make sure that our changes, and they come from everywhere, come from the builders, customers, quality issues, or suppliers. We have to manage that. Being in a managerial role, we want to use a platform that provides some transparency amongst the team, from engineering to operations. I think that's really important that we are open in that and we're not falling into silos, so that everyone's on the same page throughout the company. It's about control of our parts, control of our inventory, control of our bills of materials. I know control sounds like a bad word at times, but for what we're doing and to maintain the quality of our product, control is really important. But we have to do it in a Bowhead way, in a way that works for us. We're not a big company, but we have to have a certain amount of structure and control. So the platform has been really useful for us in that way. Having that really high quality information to start with, high quality CAD, and being able to manage that allows us to use it for so many different purposes, and all within the system and sometimes outside of the system. Truly, we could not grow our business without SolidWorks. That's the tool we use and we need.